Hello there, welcome to Scratch. Scratch is a great way to learn how to do coding and programming. Now I'm using the online version, and when I've reached the website, I'm going to start by going to create a new project. That's creating the project for me. I'm going to close these tutorials, and I'm going to show you this first bit here where the cat is. You can see the cat. Now he is in what's known as the stage area. This is where all the action happens. All the things that you ask the cat to do, he will do in this area. Now I think it needs a background. So I'm going to go to choose a backdrop here. And I'm going to choose one. And I think I'm going to go for the boardwalk here. So he's got a background. And then what I want to happen is I want the cat to walk. I want him to move from left to right. So I'm going to place the cat using click and drag, and I'm going to place him on the boardwalk. Now I'm going to need some code to make him walk from left here to the right. So first of all, I'm going to use these coding blocks you can see on the left hand side. And the ones I'm going to focus today are events, control, and motion. So I'm going to start with events. So I'm going to go when the green flag is clicked. I'm just going to make the text bigger for you. Now when the green flag is clicked, you may notice here, there's a green flag here for go, when you want things to start. There's also a stop, the red symbol there. So when the green flag is clicked, now what I want him to do is to move 10 steps. So I'm going to go to motion, the motion blocks. And I'm going to go to move 10 steps. So now, every time the flag is clicked, the cat moves 10 steps. Now what would be better if he kept walking without me having to keep pressing the green flag until he gets to the end. To do that, I'm going to create a forever loop by going to control. I'm going to go to control, and I'm going to use this forever loop, and then I'm going to take this move 10 steps, I'm going to slip this inside, so it's got forever move 10 steps. So when the green flag is clicked, he will always move 10 steps. Let's click on the green flag and see what happens. There. So he keeps moving until he reaches the edge. Now I'm going to improve on this further by allowing him then to go from right to left and keep going in a loop. So I'm going to go now back to motion, and then I'm going to look for if on edge bounce, and I'm going to slip this underneath where it says move 10 steps. Now what you can see is the cat is moving constantly from left to right across the screen. It looks really good, but there's one thing we would like to improve, is the fact that he actually moves upside down when he's going from right to left. So to change that, I'm going to go to the direction here, and then you can see I've got some options. And the middle one here says left, right. If I click on the left, right rotation, my cat now moves left to right constantly, but he doesn't move upside down.